Alam nyo ba na hindi lahat ng upgrade, upgrade talaga? Minsan, yung akala natin na upgrade, downgrade pala talaga. Nakanasan mo na ba mag-upgrade ng lifestyle mo? Kasi feeling mo, kaya mo na. Nga pala, I'm Reese, and I've been wanting to film this, not just for you and also for me. I hope this video will remind me to always keep my feet on the ground and stay humble as always. I've always dreamed of upgrading my lifestyle, not just in what I have, but in how I live, I think, and grow. So today's topic is one thing that I have learned. Sakto, di ba? Kasi mahilig tayo mag-upgrade ng lifestyle. Aminin natin, lagi tayo nag-upgrade ng phone, gadget, di ba? Parang kasama na sa buhay natin yung pag-upgrade ng lifestyle. Very common yan sa atin, di ba? But the truth is, upgrading is not always necessary. You know, sometimes upgrading is also downgrading. Minsan kasi yung akala mong upgrade, yun pa pala yung stress mo. One example is, kunwari, you own the bike. And then, nag-upgrade ka from bike to motorcycle. And then, nai-stress ka naman kasi, syempre yung motor, kailangan mo magpagas. May mga maintenance yan. And lalo na kung yung motor na kinuha mo is hulugan. Parang ano lang yan, parang motor na nag-upgrade ka sa car. Tapos, 'di ba, yung nako-consume na gas ng car is mas malaki compare sa motor. Mas magastos talaga mag-car compare sa motor. Tapos, nai-stress ka pa kasi kinuha mo yung car ng hulugan. So, monthly, may isipin ka na hulugin. Also, hindi mo din afford yung maintenance ng car. Tapos, pag nasiraan ka, uutang ka para mapagawa yung car mo, 'di ba? Nag-upgrade ka nga, pero ang stressful naman, 'di ba? It's like, finally, nakaipon na ako ng pambili ng aircon. Pero, after mo makabili ng aircon, na-stress ka sa monthly electricity bills mo. Like, sobrang dumoble sa dating bill mo ng kuryente. So, na-stress ka naman magbayad ng kuryente ngayon, di ba? Worse is mangungutang ka pa just to pay your electricity bills, di ba? So, oo, afford mo yung aircon, afford mo nang bumili ng aircon, but the monthly cost, afford mo ba talaga? If the upgrade costs your time, peace, and values, it's not an upgrade, it's a downgrade. Kaya kung kapalit ng upgrade mo ay yung peace of mind mo, siguro dapat mag-isip-isip ka muna. Hindi mo naman kailangan i-level up yung lifestyle mo to prove your worth. A simple life with a peaceful mind is already a blessing.